obi a yes ni hwene ba wo hwe na no ho odin papa baby a wode ne bet to be a like ye e ma ye fe eto da no aye rasta because e bia na sinu no ye hia rasta ma wo tumi koye e bi nso ye twa ne ti otumi ye kronfo otumi ye sofo je say the man is very talented a baby a wode ne be fe bia aya na wo ye na nanse twetwa comedies or the fa baby a han na em say muslim for afa sheba be kosi no wo person ko ye bibi e de gi eye nkremofo ani nanso we de eya fa bone wo fa no ho tse kremoni pepepe ko gina masalachi ekitabutu ni omo ataya ya omo no ma na sebe wo mo so omo no ataya na no mo tebia no emu aye di no hey Likee this wo ye ni nabi esa komponchi boutique eko pointi mponche no se ni alaji fo ne ko eye mponche boutique na mo so mo sisi bone to se nam wo ho ane dua na emu odua ni na Likee eye ni na sana nkremofo ne ho ni sano eye mo se bia Likee ediom ho fe na one of the Muslim baako epie ewo eye radio so na nkomodi die ne koso na chese wo mani ya bre se Likee nja omho fe ona se wo Muslim fo eho niema na odi twetwa video na wo mo de wo mo beba no so nya no odin mayenko radio no so na ko hwe ntokwa ekoso wo.
Yeah, Muslim Islam no yam play around with Islam. Adia bi kati wo bi hu say wo mo kwa movie. No makofa obi no obey say wo ye malam wo bompa ye obi de aduani to no obefa. This is all playing. We don't like that.
Good. Onim.
Enti mo be ka asem no.
Onim. Yam fam free baby.
Yeah.
Yam fam free oma enye yenkwa.
Okay.
Asem metima to bia, you get it.
Yeah.
Yam fam free oma omo ye social media skits.
Yeah.
Ye videos. Enra me hu video bia Likee e de odwan akọ ba fie kuta esrese obe propose. E bia ono de ofu se odidi akọ.
Well, yeah, baby, me I wanted to Saga, you know, I want to have some time because I'm planning up some of his sketch away. I just want to talk to his manager. Otherwise, one day you bring a problem. Though he knows about the Zongo people, so he is taking care of a lot of this. But we don't want that. You will never see a Muslim doing this to the Christians.
Okay.
Have you ever seen them?
I mean, there are so many things. Most video, maybe someone say, do Muslims even kneel down proposing to ladies? And is it right in Islam? Say we
We don't like that.
This is me.
Okay.
Okay. And I say, I want you to advise some of our skit makers.
They can see you.
Yes. I think you should slide your camera. People are asking, they want to see me. Okay. The question I'm asking is, we are content creators. We play around in Nyoma.
Okay.
So, can this also be a Nyoma? You bet me the diagro. And I say, Muslims are telling us, as the whole world say, Islam is nothing to play off. Nobody should play around it.
It is not about nobody should play around Islam.
Okay.
It is nobody should play about God. Me religion now the me religion I skate e kwaji ska on YouTube wa badam na me ma wo say mu ba ebronya me ma fa akukọ e kwaye bronya ade era me ninam keje cha yesa. Have you ever seen Muslim doing that? So why are you using them?
I don't have any.
Exactly. So why are you using the Muslim to make a skate and make money on YouTube? So that is what I'm saying.
It's wrong.
Dr. Likee or Dr. wαrn. I'm telling you, it's over 2 years. We've been parling a lot of things. We didn't come to him. Maybe today I break this news. If we pal a lot of them, one day he will have a problem. I'm telling you, this is Ghana. Ghana is ruled by the law. You cannot use somebody's religion and make skate and make money. So until Dr. Likee,
perhaps any big crowd on your only production, a will be a commission no then act.
Enemy cannot say Ebasa, Ukaisa 1992, Obikotia Quran Wakajetia, no sir. Do you know what happened in Kumasi here?
Tell me.
That was the first fight that happened between the Muslims and non-Muslims in Ashanti region. Do you know what happened? And after that, even Central Police as a police for in Adjani. One more in Adjani, one policeman bet Majinao. One more chi yanu bi. And a Shek Tofik any man for in ya machi Allah Akbar. Ya co-op Central, one in Adjani. 1992. I was very young guy. And the Kumasi Anomunu say, ya pesa Kumasi. Stop using we the Muslim skate to do what? To make your skate and make money. You can disagree with the Muslims and do debating or opinion, but say wako fa like Dr Likee ya ukai, yes wako fa ujan, wako obi wako propose. Yeah, Muslim for ye fa ujan wako propose obi di amano. You are insulting our religion. The same thing, Uba so washed the labia during time na ye say Ramadan no akono issue na si why fasting. All this is not good for we. And from enano ebia obete, you should change a little bit. Because one day it will bring a problem. I'm telling you.
We don't want any problem.
Yeah, we don't want a problem. Listen, the police officers, the big police officers in Ghana, they watch me. Dampari know me. He watch, all of them watch me. They know me. I am for enough and for a page. Asantini, Asuma for and Raminin Central Mosque. He knows us. They should advise Dr Likee and his production managers. Wamunja Muslim for in our way, you know. And yeah, Papa, one day no, it will bring a problem in our Ashanti region. Yeah, no Muslim for yes, sir, and to Dr Likee in one jai. Listen, there is a difference between Islam and tradition.
Okay.
You can play with the tradition, but you cannot play with the Islam. A China here kutano Islam. So into Dr Likee, so what here any production and that yes, 19, right?
Yeah.
19th June 2024. They should take this note. I'm telling you, 18th June 2024.
Okay.
One day they will remember this video I do. Some of the Muslim, boy and I found bongo ideas. Didn't you see what happened?
Yes.
Abraham bin Moshe, didn't you see what happened to him?
Do you people,
didn't you see what happened to him?
Listen,
they attack the Muslims, but we don't attack them.
Listen.
Likee. Me de nyo ye no so anka ye ni kanka krowa. Ye nuanu ai Muslim fo anka ye jitu mu anka. Ni ekoye. Na tse mo de tse ye ni mu agro. Ene say Christopher de ayo say ye so ye sorry o because ni ekoso no ano odin. I makra.